Welcome, today I am with Xiaomi 11 Lite 5G NE from the European distribution, and I will show you all box accessories. So let's quickly open the box and just take a look what we can find here. At first we can find the SIM tool. It's attached right here at the bottom. When you open this box cover, we can find at the first USB Type-C to 3.5mm headphone adapter. Here we can find this stuff. Silicone case. We can try to put it on the phone. It's easy to put on. It covers volume buttons, good access to the fingerprint sensor, cutout for speakers, USB-C cable. It goes a little bit above the camera set and also a little bit above the screen. Right here we can find charger brick. If you wonder about the specification of this charger, I will show you right now, but let me just remove this protection. So let me just catch focus here, and right now you can take a look on the specification. Inside we can find the signature orange color, and also we can find the USB-C cable with the same signature orange color inside. There's the cable. So that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.